Hello. So this is my today's bread. You can see this is outside is very little bit hard and inside is very soft, and this is also same thing. Here I added some till, black and white till or sesame seed, but outside is also, if you will tap it, it sounds like a hollow. So let's cut this one. It's very easy to bake. And see how they are soft inside. So let's start to bake this bread. So let's start. We'll see what are the ingredients we need first here. So here you can see this is my balance, and right now it is showing 100 gram with this empty bowl, and here I'm taking around 200 gram maida or all-purpose flour, now you can see my scale is almost and 300 grams, so 300 minus 100 is around 200 gram of maida I have here. So I'm taking this into one bowl. And then I have another here teaspoon, which is a salt. So I'm adding namak, salt. Quarter teaspoon salt only. And then I have yeast, which is a dry yeast. So I'm adding dry yeast here. This is a even little more than quarter teaspoon of yeast. And then let's mix all these dry ingredient first. Mix it very well. And then here I have milk, whole milk, and then water. So in this small cup measure around 30 ml, which is called 2 tablespoon or 6 teaspoon or 1 ounce. So 1 ounce is equal to around 30 ml. So I'm taking 30 ml milk and one and a half cup of water. And 1.5 cup of milk. So it's around 45 ml water and 45 ml of milk to mix in this maida. Now I will warm my milk and water little bit. We need not to boil it, but warm little bit. we can touch to see it should not be boiled. Now I'm adding all this milk and water. This is a warm milk and water, and mix in one direction only. If needed, we can add a little bit more warm water. So now you can see it's become dry, so I'm going to add some more water, and if it is a little bit wet, that will be okay. We need this is nice, and right now it is sticky, and probably I need to add a little bit more maida to make it. So now you can see it is so sticky. I added some more all-purpose flour. It's almost, I added 50 gram more. The only thing, I am mixing only in one direction from clockwise, that's it. So now you can see it is all mixing nice. Now it's time to cover this. And we'll put in the dark and warm place so that it will rise. Now I will keep this in the warm place for at least 1 hour. So now this is after 1 hour. You can see I'm going to open it, and it is start making double. And if I will touch with my dry hand, it start sticking. So better I will wet my hand. And then what I have to do, I will take it and turn it on one side. Now we have to turn 90 degree, and your wet hand stretch it and turn again on the other side. Once again you have to turn 90 degree, and then making wet hand, stretch it and then turn, and then last this side you have to stretch and turn it. So this process we will do 2 more time, and now I'm going to close it again and keep it in the dark, dry and warm place again. Now you can see this after 2 hours this become even double. So now I will do the same thing once again. I will stretch. See, it's so many balls are there, which is nice. And then keep your hand wet and then stretch it and turn it again. And one more time from one more side. You have to keep turning every time. And that's it. So I will leave it one more time this for 1 hour. So we need to do this one more time, kneading without knead. Just keep turning over and over and kept it in this warm place. So now let's talk about, see how it is after 3 hours. So it again swell, which is nice. So I will turn everything here. First sprinkle some maida on surface and then turn everything down. Then again we'll add some on the top of this one. And then we have to do the same thing, just stretch and turn on upside down. Stretch and turn, fold it again. Keep moving. This guy came out. You can see how fluffy and no need to press, just stretch and turn, stretch and turn. Now I will cut this into 3 pieces. So let's cut this now you can see there are 3 pieces I have made it, and this is the smallest one. So what I'm going to do here, I'm taking this small steel plate, adding some maida all-purpose flour, and then stretch this, fold it, stretch and fold. Every time we have to stretch and fold, stretch and fold. So here I stretch 3 or 4 times and then leave it as such. Maybe I can close these and then I will cover it with this plastic and leave it for again 30 minutes. And next I have here butter paper. So the next piece I'm going to add on the butter paper. Just give you can wrap, press it so that you can seal these sides. It is still sticking on my hand, so we'll just add some more and give some shape like bread. And then I will cover this also with the foil, plastic foil, and keep it in the warm place. It will rise once again. And now this is the last third one. I'll give just a rolling. You can see this is all folded version, and just leave it on this itself. So now I have 3 dough. And we'll cover this also with the and leave it for some time. It will raise once again. So now you can see these are all 3 doughs are ready, and then I will leave them for around 30 to 45 minutes and to let them raise more. Then we will start baking. Now I will preheat my oven. I have this small oven, so let's set up this in the baking, which is a 400 degree Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. and let's set up this in the baking mode. So it will take some time to preheat, and once it will be ready, we will bake our bread inside here. Now let's check how this and here you can see it's almost double in size. So what I'm going to do here, just applying this milk on the top of this one, so that once I will bake, it will give good texture. And now you can see my oven is ready. So just open it and start baking inside, and make sure you can leave some more time. It's already almost 20 minutes was preheat, so crank it more so that it will heat, and we will give at least in this oven it takes at least 25 minutes to bake one bread, and come back after some time. And now it's time to remove this bread. It's already done. And I'm going to add this directly with the paper and close it. So good thing is on the paper that it get very good heat from the bottom side also. So now we'll wait for again 30 minutes to see. So here my two breads are ready, and here you can see they are all look like they are hollow from both sides. And I would like to show you third one, and this is my third one, in which I sprinkle some sesame seed, black and white till, or you can see this is also look like hollow. It looks beautiful. Now you can see if I will poke they are all dry. So now we'll ready to cut. Now let's cut this one and see how this is. See inside, this is all spongy and soft, and outside is a little bit hard, which is really nice. Now I will cut some more pieces.